Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a little different TEMU haul. I have a few hair accessories that I got, but this is the first time that I've ordered clothes from TEMU. So I thought I would show them to you, and then I will give you an update, after we try everything on and kind of feel out the quality and that kind of thing. So the first thing that I purchased were this. I think I know what this is. Yeah, these are like little rubber, you can see the paw print on them, but you put them in the dryer with your clothes. They're like a jelly, just squishy, and I assume that you can rinse them off. I'll have to check online, and I will put the links of each item down below in the description. And also I will put the link to my affiliate link, because if you click on that, you can save 50% off of your first order if it's the first time that you're downloading TEMU. So I got these. These are for pet hair. You put them in the dryer and dry your clothes with them, and I would think that it gets all the lint and pet hair off. It's very sticky. So picked up those, and they were just a few cents. Didn't cost much at all, but I thought I would try them now that we have a dog. And then I picked up some hair accessories. You can never have too many hair accessories. I picked up this Chenelle like ponytail holder. Not only does it look good on your little wrist, but it's very soft and non-damaging. My hair has a tendency to break, so I picked that up. And then I picked up some of these claw clips. These are the smaller version, because my hair is about shoulder length, and it's in a bob, but very easy to just put up the front of my hair or the sides. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 in the package, and they're just matte muted colors. And then I also picked up these clips. These are hair clips. Another thing in the matte kind of muted colors that will just, I just thought after I put my hair up in a sloppy bun, there's always a few pieces that fall down, and I thought I could clip them up with these. And they seem very good quality, very sturdy. So I picked those up. And then we get into the clothing and accessories. The first thing I picked up was this hat, or cap as some people call it. It's made by Carhartt. Whether that is, because it comes from China, whether that is accurate or not, I don't know. But it is a hat. I like to wear a hat every now and then, and you just put your little ponytail through the back. But it is a Carhartt. I like this blue kind of vintagey color, and I don't have one in that color, so I picked that up. And I can't remember the prices. I'll try and put the prices down where I put the links. And then I picked up a couple of tank tops. And I was really worried, because I'm a plus size girl, and I didn't know if it would fit me or not. And I probably could have gone for something a little shorter, but I just want to show you the front detail. And in the summer, I like to wear a tank top, but I'm not too fond of my arms. So I usually wear a tank top with a sweater, only because I'm home so much and we have the air conditioner on, so it's pretty cool. But this feels like a good, thick, good quality of a tank top, and I got it in the color gray. And then I picked up this tank top, kind of a little yellow tank top, and it has the spaghetti straps. I think these are going to fit me just perfect, and I like the little ruffled edge. And then just throw a sweater over it, like I said, and you're good to go. And then I picked up one more shirt for me, and then I picked up a couple things for Greg. picked up this. Let me see if I can get this out. This is just a black t-shirt. And it says pink on the front, kind of like Victoria's Secrets. Whether that's their real trademark or not, I don't know. But I thought I would try it. I want to hold it up. And I think it'll fit fine. Actually, I probably could have gone because I've lost so much weight, I think I've lost about 70 pounds. I probably could have gone a size smaller. But you just never know the first time you order clothes from a website without trying them on. And then I'll show you what I picked up for Greg. He picked out this shirt. He found it and picked it out. And we got him a 2XL. I think it should fit him fine. And it says God over everything. So he picked that shirt out, and I'm very surprised. And you know, the t-shirts can be very thin and flimsy, but these seem to be pretty good quality. And then I picked up a pair of just elastic shorts for Greg. These are just ones that he wears around the house or wears to bed. And I can't remember what size I got him. 2XL. And they look like they'll fit him fine. And they are thick, good quality material. So I'll have to let you know how things hold up. This is the first time I've gotten some clothing. I do have some other clothing coming from TEMU. I placed an order today and got just a few things. I got this bag that looks like, you know, the Crocs look like, and they have the holes in it, but they make a bag. I can't remember who makes the expensive bag, but I got just a dupe of a summer bag, and I'll have to show you that. I also got some tennis shoes that are like, oh, what are they called? Chucks. I can't even think. I can see the tag and I can't think of what they're called. Converse. So I picked up some Converse dupes. I'm going to link everything down below in the comments or in the description. And like I said, it looks like their clothes, they feel very good quality. I have not been disappointed by anything that I've ordered from TEMU. So if you haven't tried out TEMU, be sure and click on my affiliate link so that you can get 50% off. And you get free shipping. So be sure and click that link. And if you haven't tried TEMU, these orders, one order took 6 days, the other one only took 3. So they're really speeding up their shipping process, and everything was packaged great. So so yeah, that's my TEMU haul. And there was something, oh, this one, Sally Hansen Insta-Dry I got from Walmart. If I can't find it on Walmart, I will link the Amazon link for you. But I just did my nails, as you can see, and I always put a couple coats of top coat on them. So, so yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It always helps my channel and gets more people to be able to view my videos. So, if you've made it this far, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.